Miki's kitchen. Today is the 269th day. I'll show you how to make eho-maki. On Setsubun, people silently have eho-maki or uncut sushi roll, whose name literally means lucky direction roll. While making a wish and facing that year's lucky direction as determined by the zodiac symbol for the year. This year's lucky direction is south-southeast. Well, let's get started cooking. I've already made sushi or vinegared rice. If you want to know how to make it, watch my 8th YouTube. So first, soak dried shiitake mushrooms in water until they get soft. It takes several hours, so I usually soak them overnight. Next, rinse kampyo or dried gourd strips. And soak them in water. Then let stand for about 3 minutes. Well, 3 minutes have passed. Now drain the water. And add a little salt. And rub them. By doing so, kampyo will absorb the seasonings well and become soft. And rinse them. Okay. Next, soak koya tofu or freeze-dried tofu in water for about 1 minute. Then place dashi stock in a pot. I've already made dashi stock. If you want to know how to make it, watch my 3rd YouTube. And add sugar, sake, mirin, light soy sauce, and a pinch of salt in a pot and boil it. When it comes to boil, squeeze koya tofu and put it in the pot. And turn down the heat to low. Then cover it with cooking sheet and put a lid. Then simmer for about 10 minutes. 5 minutes have passed. Now flip it. And keep simmering. Okay. Now turn off the heat. And move koya tofu to a cup. And cool it. When the shiitake mushrooms get soft, squeeze it and cut off the stem. And slice it. Like this. Be careful, don't throw this water away. I'll use it as dashi stock. Now place water used for softened shiitake mushrooms in a pot. And sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce in the pot. And heat it on medium heat. When it comes to boil, add shiitake mushrooms and kampyo in it. Then turn down the heat to low and cover it with cooking sheet and put a lid. Then simmer it for about 10 minutes. Okay, now take a lid then turn up the heat and simmer until the liquid is almost gone. Okay, now turn off the heat and move them to a cup. And cool them. Next, boil water in a pot. Then cut mitsuba. And boil mitsuba for about just 10 seconds. Okay, now turn off the heat and drain the hot water and cool mitsuba. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make rolled omelette. Crack eggs into a bowl. And beat them. Then add sugar, sake, soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. And mix well. Then heat a pan on medium heat and place vegetable oil in it and wipe the oil with paper towel. Now turn down the heat to medium-low and pour some egg mixture in the pan. And spread over the surface. And roll up. Then wipe the oil and pour another egg mixture. And roll up. Okay, now turn off the heat and move rolled omelette to a plate. And cool it. Now cut rolled omelette into bars. And cut koya tofu into quarters. Now I'm gonna make sushi roll. Place nori sheet on a bamboo sushi mat. The shiny side down. Then place half of the sushi rice. And spread with wet finger. Leave about 1 cm blank space from the top. Then place rolled omelette, koya tofu, shiitake mushrooms, kampyo, mitsuba, and I'm gonna place sakura denbu or mashed and seasoned fish. It makes sushi roll colorful. Then roll the bamboo mat forward, holding the line of ingredients firmly with your fingers. And lift the bamboo mat. And place softly sushi roll, making a cylinder shape. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。This direction is south-southeast, so I'm gonna silently eat whole eho-maki and make a wish.